Hello, friends! Oh my gosh, guys, we're on vacation! It's not even doing it justice, but you'll see it later in a better view. But here we are in Jamaica, Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and
Moon Palace Resort.
yes, all inclusive. We love that energy. Yeah, guys, this is my first time. Sorry, yes, people, this is my first time in Jamaica.
Water is so blue. You can see right through it. It's gonna be great. Can't wait to go to the beach.
It's very beautiful, and I feel relaxed. I feel at ease. I feel like I'm not working, and we thank God. Ah. But we're here for Ernest's birthday, so that's lit. I'll try to get some vlogging with everyone, but I wanted to take the first day and half-ish to, you know, actually just be on vacation and not do content, but it's time for content because this.
We gotta give the people what they want.
This right here, it's skipping. Yeah, so it's me, Tasha, Stephanie, Gina. They're inside though, but we live, and it's time for Jamaica.
Take a picture of this, Ernest. Is he? No, he's not.
Wave to the vlog.
To the what?
The vlog.
The vlog.
Yeah, you're really in the vlog. Yeah, she's making a video about it. Are you a vlogger?
I'm taking a picture. Bruh.
Gina.
Hey, boo.
Steffi.
Bye-bye.
Tasha. It's so clear out here.
It is.
This is pretty.
Oh God! Oh God!
Ernest, how was it?
I just bring you closer, please. Oh, keep going, man. Keep going, man. Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going. I need a.
Can I get out?
Hey friends, future Vanessa here. So I did vlog some in Jamaica, but I was just enjoying so much that I didn't really explain everything that we were doing. So for this next day, we went to this really cool seafood restaurant and the food was bomb. I don't even remember everything I ate, but it was just so good. And I have some clips from the resort we were staying at. And then I have another food place. Obviously I did a lot of eating, but it was like this little cafe on the restaurant and you could get like any like fresh desserts and crepes. Y'all, I had this bomb Nutella crepe. It was so good. Probably had it like 3 times, but I just recorded the ones, so don't worry.
I like it.
Healthy. Twinsy. Okay, hi cuties. Whee! And so for the next day, we did some excursions and a little bit of exploring. So we went to Kanoko Falls and the Bob Marley Museum. So they told us like all this history and facts about him and his family. And our tour guide was super cool. And then we were walking around the like rainforest, tropical forest. I really don't know what it is, but we walked around there, but it was raining so hard. Like when I tell you like torrential downpour, it was a lot. I was soaked and it was too much. But then we got to like the actual falls part and they're like, yeah, we're just gonna scale a waterfall and we're gonna go. Y'all, I was really on my Bear Grylls. I was really on my Bear Grylls adventure. It was crazy, but it was a little scary, but it was really fun actually. And then we went to a steakhouse for my cousin's birthday and that was super fun. And our host was Chris. If you go to Moon Palace, ask for Chris. He's super funny and so cool to have as your cook. So after dinner, we had a little jam session in their piano lounge. My cousin, there's no way where he goes, he's not gonna sing or play an instrument. So it's his birthday, his rules. So we did that and that was fun, just hanging out.
Kill our prophets while we stand beside and love.
Okay.
Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the word. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? That's all I have.
Okay, come on. Woo! Okay, come on. Just casually in a rainforest, you know. Oh, the trees are so tall.
One love.
Damn.
But if you want to keep one, there's over there. Very pretty.
I'll make it easy for you. You do like this. 1, oh my God, 2, and then the chest
Oh,
side.
Jesus. Lily, sit back before he spills it on you.
Coming down. You do like this. All right, you're gonna stop it. Like this. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, and you're like, wah! All right? All right.
I don't like this. I don't like it.
1, 2,
Okay.
I need some sound effect, all right? Let's go. 1, 2. Hey, bro. Hey, Carlos.
Who finna do it?
I've given up playing.
Who's playing? Are you playing?
Ernest is gonna play.
What are you gonna play me?
I'm gonna play.
Here at the last day. So we had a blast the last day. It might have been my favorite day. So we went on the cruise and that was really fun and we got to dive in the water a bit. I don't have clips of that, but I'm sure y'all saw it on the IG or whatever. And then we also had a little all white dinner for him for his 30th birthday. So that was really cool. And it was nice because it was like in a ballroom just for us. And then I have a few clips of when we are headed back to the airport and we stopped for like sugarcane, Jamaican patties, and then a little like rest stop type of place. We got some drinks and just a little knickknacks to take home. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my travel vlog. It was my first time, so it is hard trying to enjoy yourself on one hand and then get enough content. I will probably do the storytime vlog anytime I'm traveling just because getting the content is serious and it takes a lot of time and you know, you want to enjoy the moment. Definitely recommend Moon Palace Jamaica, Ocho Rios. It was so fun. I will probably go again, to be honest. And I just had a blast. And again, shout out to Ernest, happy birthday, and everyone on the trip. So nice to meet you and hang out. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!